Hello, my name is Iris Ortez, and following with this presentation, in my case, I'm going to explain these other specialized documents, which is U.S. Individual Income Tax Return, that in Spanish is Declaración de Impuestos sobre la Renta de Personas Físicas de Estados Unidos. 1040 is an IRS tax form used for personal federal income tax return filed by United States residents. The form calculates the total taxable income of the taxpayer and determines how much is to be paid or refunded by the government. Well, first, these documents contain more pages, but this is only the first one. But this page collects information about the taxpayer and dependent. In particular, the taxpayer specifies his or her filing status. For translating these documents, we have to use literal translation because the majority of words have their equivalent exactly in Spanish. The translating test retains the same syntax and also the same meaning. On the other hand, we use one adaptation with one phrase. In this case, was relationship to you, because we have to accommodate it to the common form of mentioning it. For example, in our country, El Salvador, in this case, this word we must better know like parentesco. That is why we included this expression. Porque en la mayoría de los documentos, como por ejemplo las planillas de seguro social, las planillas de AFP o otros documentos similares, en los cuales se solicita escribir como beneficiario a un pariente, siempre esta casilla es reconocida como parentesco. Entonces, por eso decidimos ponerla de esta forma, porque es la que se asemeja más, ¿no? Y la más conocida. Also, we use another tool, which was Prose. This helped us to translate the Chinese words, which were several. Some of them we have SSN, that in Spanish refers to Número de Seguro Social. This is a numerical identifier assigned to U.S. citizens and some residents to track their income and determine benefits. It's a program to provide for retirement and disability benefits for the old and infirm. They use it when they go to the doctor, rent a house, carry out any financial transactions, or bank-related deals, opening accounts, etc. Other term is PTIN, Número de Identificación Fiscal del Preparador. A tax preparer is an individual who prepares, calculates, and files income tax return on behalf of individuals and businesses. Also, we have another term, which is EIN. That means Número de Identificación Patronal. This is the employer identification number. It's a unique number assigned by the IRS to business entities operating in the United States for the purpose of identification. Of course, as the last one, we have another abbreviation, which is IRS. Servicio de Impuestos Internos, which is a U.S. government agency responsible for the collection of taxes and enforcement of tax laws.